I wake up in the morning and I'm eating fried chicken. It looks so good. I start licking my fingers and salivating too. Then my mom comes in the room. She says, "What are you doing? Eating that chicken? It's bad for you. You'll start getting sick and vomit all over the floor, and then you won't want any more." She kinda scared me saying all of that. I really didn't want a heart attack. I thought about it for a while. The fried chicken was like my child. Didn't want it all to go to waste, so I said I'd eat it for a few days and see what would happen. I wake up in the hospital eating no food. Now I'm obese, I can't even move. Got no one to talk to. My mom comes in the room. She says, "Now you're fat. What should I do?"